Hi guys, in this video I show you a very nice Capcut Pro feature. It is about erasing or removing an object, element or anything you want within the whole video. For example, I can remove this man, this walking man, from the whole video. First you go to Video, Basic, scroll down a little bit until you find AI Remove. Activate, and here you have the brush tool. You can also change the size. And then you can mark the man, for example. If you made a mistake, you can just erase everything again. Back to brush. And now I go and press remove. At the moment it's about credits here. I have 650 credits left. Maybe you must pay. I don't know if you are out of the credits. We must see it later. I don't know yet. Apply. And let's see. Wait a few minutes. Or seconds, I don't know. Here you can see it's almost done. Result applied. Let's see. Okay. The first frame is still here, but the rest seems to be away. Okay, maybe not perfect, but seems to work, guys. Let's see. Okay, maybe I start at the second frame. I don't know yet. But guys, that's the feature. Maybe it will better in the future, I guess. And hopefully it will be the whole Capcut Pro. So you don't need to have credits. That would be very nice. So unlimited if you pay anyway. Thank you for watching, guys, and see you next time.